Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a first impressions tutorial on the new BECCA Ocean Jewels eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I'm really excited about this video because I love BECCA and I really loved their last eyeshadow palette, the Après-Ski Eyelights palette. I thought that was amazing. This one is the Ocean Jewels palette and this is what it looks like here. This is the outer packaging and then this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like here. So it's a gorgeous kind of purpley metallic-y circle palette which I'm loving. So you get this big mirror inside which is amazing, and you get these 7 brand new eyeshadows. So that's what they look like here. I'll just turn the palette round. And you get a mixture of mattes, metallics and some duochromes. Really cool bunch of shades. If you want to see how to get this eye look that I have on right here and my thoughts on this palette, then stay tuned and we'll just get started. Okay, so I'm first going to take my translucent powder here. This is just the Rimmel Match Perfection, and I'm just going to apply that to my under eye area on a little sponge here, and that's just going to help light in case I get any fallout from the shadows. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the shade Seashell. This is an ivory beige shade and it's also matte, so this is going to act as our base shade. So I'm just using my Morphe M433 to apply this all over my eyes. Okay, I'm now going to get in with the shade Tourmaline. It's just this matte brown shade here which looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just going to apply that to my outer corners on my Morphe R39 brush. Wow, that shade is really pigmented. So I've got a little bit of fallout happening under my eye there, but hopefully that powder will catch it. Okay, so I'm now going to pick up the shade Aberlone, which is this gorgeous purple metallic-y shade just right here. I'm going to pick that up on this little flat brush here and just apply this right onto my lid. I'm really excited to see how this applies. Like, this shade looks absolutely gorgeous. It really stands out in the palette. It's like a metallic-y duochrome shade. It's gorgeous, like that really is pretty. So this is me just applying the shade dry, and this is how pigmented it is. Like, it really is a gorgeous shade. Just going to take my blending brush and just make sure those edges are nice and blended together. Okay, I'm now going to pick up the shade Ocean Jasper, which is this shade here, and this has blue and green little flashes in it there. I don't know whether you can see it on camera there, but it flashes a few different colours which is really pretty. So I'm going to pick that up just on this Real Techniques base shadow brush. That's what it looks like here. It's probably not the best brush to use for this, but I don't have another one of those wee flat brushes that I use for the purple shade there. So what I'm going to do with this shade is just apply it just right here, just before that dark kind of browny shade, sort of before the outer corner. Like, I'll just place it there and you can see what I mean. Wow, that shade is gorgeous. I don't really know if it goes with the purple though, but like when I move my eye you can see like the browny colour like really moving into that green shade. It's absolutely gorgeous. Just going to go back in a little bit of that purple just to tie them together. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure this is all nice and blended in. So I'm just going to use the Morphe R37 brush and just blend everything together here at the top so there's no harsh edges. So I'm just going to tap whatever is left on this brush on the outer corner there because I really love how that looks with the dark shade. Okay, so I'm now going to pick up the shade in the centre of the palette here, which is called Mermaid Pearl. This looks like a really gorgeous highlighting shade. It says it's a holographic shade as well, so I'm going to pick that up on my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going to apply that right into my inner corners. Okay, so now that I've applied the Mermaid Pearl shade in the inner corners there, I'm just going to now dust away this powder, add liner and mascara, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so now that I've applied my mascara and my wing liner, I have realised that this eye look looks really similar to the look that I did with the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar palette. Yeah, it looks really similar with the purple and the flashes of kind of like green in it there as well. Like, it looks really similar. Like, I didn't mean that at all. Like, it's just a real coincidence, and I'm getting real deja vu right now. Like, yeah, it really reminds me of that look. Anyway, so I just applied a little bit of the Mermaid Pearl shade, which is in the middle there, the shade that I use in the corner. I just applied a little bit of that on my brow bone as well, just to sort of highlight. Now I'm going to finish off the look with my lip shade, and I have two shades in mind, but I don't know if one of the shades is actually going to go with the eye look, but I'm going to try it out and see. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take the Barry M lip liner in the shade number 16. This is just like a natural kind of nudie brown shade, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this. Okay, so like I said, I have two lip options in mind, and of course this look's going to look great with a nude, just like with many eye looks, like it also looks good with a nude. I have the L'Oreal Colour Riche lipstick in the shade G Rose Nude, which I think will look great with this look. And then I have this liquid lipstick from Colourpop. This is their Ultra Matte in the shade R&B. So this might be a little bit too dark. It's like a really deep purpley shade, but it may be a little bit too dark for this eye look. But I don't know, something's telling me to try this out. I think it will look really cool, so I think I'm going to try this first. If I don't like it, then I'll just go in with the nude. Okay, so this is how it looks here, and I'm really liking it. It's a little bit too dark, but I don't know, I'm enjoying it. I think it looks really nice. I'm going to get in with a nude now, just to show you how it looks with a nude. Okay, and then for highlight, I'm going to apply the Illamasqua Beyond Powder in the shade OMG. So that's what it looks like there. So I'm going to apply that to my cheekbones. Okay, so I'm just going to spritz a little bit of MAC Fix Plus just to lock this all in place, and then that's the look completed. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I think it looks really pretty. It looks like a real mermaid look. Like, I really do love it. I think it's gorgeous. I love it paired with this nude lip. It just goes really nice together. It really lets the eyes stand out. Now let me sum up my thoughts on the palette. So first of all, the packaging is really cute. I do like it. I love this seashell effect on it. I think it looks really pretty. I love that it says BECCA across the middle there as well. Very similar to their après-ski highlights palette. And then we have this big mirror at the top there, which is great. So inside we have 7 eyeshadows, and these are 7 brand new shadows. So I tried out 5 of the 7 eyeshadows in this palette. So I tried 2 mattes, which is this ivory beige and this dark kind of brown shade here. They are really nice, especially this brown shade. It's really pigmented, so you just need a little amount of this. It goes a long way. And also this purple metallic shade is gorgeous. It's really pigmented. You seen when I was applying it to my lids, like how much pigment came off. It was great. And this shade here, which is called Ocean Jasper, like, this is so unusual. It's like a duochrome, so when you sort of like turn your eyes certain ways, you can see like the brown going into green and going into blue. So I think it's such a really exquisite shade. It's just right there in my outer corner, and I just love the flashes of green it gives off there. It's just so pretty. So I just got 2 other shades to test out in the palette, but overall I think the pigmentation of the palette is great. The really standout shade in this palette is this purple shade, and I'm really impressed with how it came off on the eyes. Like, it just looks so pretty. So yeah, overall I'm really loving this palette. I'm loving the pigmentation in it, and I'm loving the bunch of colours in it as well. I think it's a really kind of unusual bunch of colours, but it just goes well. I really do just love the packaging. I think it's really pretty. It's just similar to their last eyeshadow palette, which was the BECCA Après-Ski palette, which I done a review on as well, which is this palette here. This is the Après-Ski palette, which is also a stunning palette. That's what the shadows look like in that palette. So yeah, I'll pin that video just at the top of the screen there, and also in the description box for you if you'd like to check that out. So yeah, that's what the 2 of them look like. They are absolutely stunning palettes. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you liked and enjoyed it. Remember to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and hit the subscribe button if you are brand new to my channel, and I will speak to you very soon in my next video. Bye! Mwah.
but they